Now, here we are going to discuss something which we left in the last lecture. So, continuing from that. So, understanding and remember from the table what we have learned from the natural number 1 to 10, first 10 natural number, the table. So, we have find the cubes of that. This we have learned in the previous lecture. Now, from that what we understand and remember that first of all we have find the unit digit at cube. So, सब में से unit digit निकाल दिया. So, it will be 4, 8, 7, 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 9 or 0. Unit place digit of the cube. ये सारे cubes है unit digit. So, from this we will find out what will be the unit place of cube root of this particular digits. Okay? देखिए. So, 1 cube 1. So, same 1 अगर cube root में 1 है unit place and cube also 1. ऐसे कितने 4, 5, 6, 9. देखेंगे कहां से पता चला सर 1 का 1, 4 का 4 लास्ट डिजिट, 5 का 5, 6 cube root, then 9. Something what contradictory we find that 2 is a cube root, तो उसका unit place digit of the cube is 8. So 2, and if the cube root is 3, then the cube unit place digit is 7. So 3 का 7, 7 का 3. Same way, if 7 then 3 and 3 then cube root will be 7. Same way, if cube 2 then the cube root unit place digit is 8. 10 में तो 0 0. So cube root unit place and cube root unit place सर सेम आ जाते हैं. Clear? If a number is having unit place digit this, that is 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, the cube root digit unit place will be also 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 only respectively. But for 8 and 7, suppose if 2 is the unit place of cube root and the cube will be, unit place digit will be 8. If 3 unit place digit of cube root, then 7 will be cube unit place digit. Same way, reverse, vice versa. If 7 then 3, okay, and 8 cube root, then cube unit place digit will be 2. Using this, we also note down some points which will be definitely helping us to solve the exercise. Certain points remember रखने पड़ते हैं. We have to remember certain points, and that will definitely help you to do your exercise 7.1 and 7.2. Clear? So please pen down these points which I am giving to you. So here the points: 8, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 are the cubes of natural numbers. The cubes of even number is even and the cubes of odd number is odd. Third point, in a perfect cube, each prime numbers, हम prime factors जब निकालते हैं, any perfect cube we find out the square root करने के लिए prime factors निकालते हैं. So that each prime factor will appear 3 times. Square root में कितनी बार होता था? 2 times. Here 3 times. Clear? 3 into 3 into 3. अगर 5 है तो 5 into 5 into 5. 3 times. So in a perfect cube, each prime number appears 3 times in its prime factor. New thing, sir, negative अगर हो तो number, the cube of negative number, if cube of particular number is negative, so negative number is negative. ये भी याद रखना. Blanks also it can be asked in blanks or in true or false. Okay? So the cube of negative number is a negative. Example, suppose minus 2 raised to 3, that is minus 3 cube, minus 2 cube. So -2 multiplied by -2 multiplied by -2. अगर 2 टाइम होता है square में 2 times. So minus minus will become positive number, means 4. But 3 times again it will be minus 2. So 4 multiplied by minus 2, it will be minus 8. That's why if odd negative number cube we are finding, then the result is also negative. Clear? 3 more points related to the unit place digit. वो भी देख लेते हैं. So here, next point, cube of number ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 also ends the same digit with the same digit in cube root. कोई भी cube, any cube number, perfect cube number ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 will also have the same number of digit. अगर 0 है तो 0 cube root unit place digit, 1 है तो cube root of that particular number will be also ending with 1. If the cube is having 4 at unit place, the cube root will also end with 4 unit place digit. Same way for the numbers having 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Next point. Now what about 2 and 3? The cubes of a number ending with 2. कोई भी number का cube ending with 2 with ends with 8, and the cube of that number ending with 8 will end with 2. Vice versa. अगर कोई cube number है, उसका cube root का cube number का unit place digit अगर 2 है, तो उसका cube root का क्या होगा? 8. और अगर cube का 8 है, तो उसका cube root का हो जाएगा 2. Same thing apply for 3 and 7. Cubes of number ending with 3 will end with 7, and cubes of number ending with 7 will end with, कहाँ से end हो जाएंगे? With 3 respectively. So these are the points which you need to remember, okay, and this will help you to solve the exercise. Secondly, we will learn something new in the next lecture. Okay, see you soon.